Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of DaVinci Resolve for beginners. And in this episode we are going to try learning how we can extract a file that we have completed editing. So without wasting much time, let us go to the DaVinci Resolve software and start learning how we can start extracting our edited final file. So as in the previous video you have seen, I had worked on the color grading. Now as I'm done working with my video, I'm going to go ahead to the deliver option, and here is the option where you can start extracting the video which you just created. Now to begin with extracting our video, we can see there are a few options here. As you can see, there is the custom export, you have the H.264 master, you have the hyperdeck, you have the H.265 master, you have the options to directly upload on the YouTube, and you can also choose the resolution. You have the option to upload on Vimeo, Twitter, TikTok, presentation, and much more. Now to begin with, you can see there is the file name. So this is the file name on which you will try to save your particular edited clip. So I want to name it as maybe Final Cut. There you go. I just made the name Final Cut, and this is the option where you can choose the location on where you want to change or save the video. Now for me, I click on the browse option and I can choose the particular designated file where I want to change the video. So I want to download it in the edited files option, and I want to create a new file known as DaVinci and hit the enter. And I had created a new file, and this is where I want to save the Final Cut file, and I'm going to hit the save button. As you can see, I have changed the location to the designated place I want to download this video. Now coming down to the bottom, we have the format style, on which format you want to extract your video. For me, I want to extract this video on MP4 format, so I have chosen the MP4 format. As you can see, now if we go down to the resolution, I want to download my resolution in 1920 into 1080, so I'm going to hit this option. Now you can see I have chosen the HD option. There you go, the HD option, you can see. Now underneath this, you can also choose the frame rate on which you want to start extracting your file. Now I want, as pre-saved while I was starting to work on this program, I had set the frame rate to 59.94. so this is the frame rate I will use to download and extract my file in. So I'm going to hit it like that, and going back to the advanced option, you can add various projects and some settings. You have the subtitle settings. For example, you want to create some subtitles, so you have it. Now going to the audio option, where you can select the track data rate and the code, and now the file option. This is where you can create and place the file, where they name it, and various things you can do after here. Now after you are done selecting and choosing how you want to start extracting your video, you can go ahead and hit the add to render queue. Now this is what it is going to do, is it is going to add this particular video in the timeline. Right now, as I had already started and already edited and extracted one file, you can see it was already completed before. Now you can see the second job is seen in the delivery option, and you can see there is the option for render one. Now I only have one project in the timeline, so I'm going to hit the render option, and it will start rendering the video which I just edited. So it is going to take me some time to render this video, so I'm going to wait some time, and I will see you guys after the video has finished rendering. Now as it is rendering, you can have various options on which you want to download the file. For me, I want to download the file because before our before going into uploading it on any kind of social media or any social platform, I would like to see the video which I just created, and I want to see if it is in a perfect state, because there could be some more editing or some more customization which I want to do in the video. So there is the option where you can go to the extract option and you can simply directly download it on the folder or where you want the video to get downloaded. So in my case, as I've told you, I want to get this video in my system, so I will wait for a while for the video to get rendered, and I will see you once again after the video is finished rendering. Now, as you can see that I have completed rendering my project. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and see the rendered video that I had shared on the designated file. So what I can do is I can go ahead and go to the designated file where I had saved this video, and as soon as I open it, you can see the file is already present here, and as I hit the play button, and there you go, the video has started playing itself. As you can see, this is the video that we tried to edit in the software DaVinci Resolve. So pausing back and coming back to the application of DaVinci Resolve, I would like to thank you for watching this video, and I hope we understood, and now we are completely done with the basic beginning practice of how we can work with the application of DaVinci Resolve. And I thank you all for watching this video and hope you liked it.